You can boost your coding skill in JavaScript by using array methods, where JavaScript provides lot of methods to make your coding easier. Where you already seen some methods. Let's revise those methods which are used to add and remove items from beginning or the ending of array. First method is push method, which is used to add one or more items to the end of an array. Next is pop method, which is used to extract an item from the end of an array. Then next method is shift method, which is used to extract an item from the beginning of an array. And the last method is end shift method, which is used to add one or more items at the beginning of an array. So, let's start without wasting a time. Here is an array with 3 values. And if you want to delete second value, what will you do? Obviously, you will use delete keyword, then give an array with proper index of value. There is a problem with this delete keyword is array supposed to be shorter than earlier. But, an array has same length same which was before value has been deleted. So use a special array method which does everything. Like insert, remove and replace elements in an array. So, let's start with the element deletion. And it is just simple add first argument is start index and second argument for number of elements to be deleted. Second is to replace one or multiple elements from the third arguments. Here, you can add multiple elements with comma separated values. All arguments from the third parameter will be considered as values to be replaced. And value will be replaced from the start index to the second argument the number of element. Next is to insert one or multiple elements. It is similar as replace. Only the second argument will be 0. So, from the third arguments onwards will be inserted from the start index. Negative indexing is also allowed in the splice method. And that will be considered from the ending of the array. Rest of the things will be same as insert, replace and delete. You just need to specify negative index at the start index parameter. That's it from my side. Share your feedback or suggestions about splice method. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.